Oh, that was a long day of work. Hey! Oh. What are you doing here?
Dad,
Why are you putting that?
Hey, Epic, this guy's voice.
Hello, welcome to the Nice Gorilla Store. What can I do for y'all?
Do you have any repair tools?
Yeah, follow me.
What's up? I just need.
So right here, you will find some lighters, and then we have some other tools y'all need. And then come over here. Come over here, and then we also have the drill in case you need to drill in some nails or whatever.
Hey, Mr. Cashier, do you have any like vines or anything?
Glad I can count on you. Creative Fest is gonna be great.
I don't think so, but we do have this.
Yeah, am I right?
Who?
King.
Yes, my minion?
There's heroes saving the whole world right now.
Yes, I know, my minion.
Can we go stop them?
Yes, indeed.
Hey, Epic, earn this guy's voice.
I'm jumping.
I got this. Hey, Epic, call in Aquatic.
Yo, what's up, robot? Oh, you little echo guy, huh?
Yes, I am.
Big popsicle nuts!
Womp womp. I need to defeat those guys. One.
Let's do it and we'll burst! Big popsicle nuts!
Miss.
Oh, come on! I'm burning! I'm burning!
Finally, I'm back home.
Hey, you go on ahead. I got some
Oh,
very
God.
important business
Look at
to
the news
discuss
is
here.
on.
Hey,